Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that many Excel users face regarding managing their email lists. The problem at hand involves the need to delete all emails ending with @live.com while keeping the rest intact within the cell. This can be quite a tedious task, especially when dealing with multiple emails separated by commas in a single cell. Moving on to the solution, let's dive into the first part of the code provided. The formula featuring the let function, TEXTSPLIT, and TEXTJOIN is a powerful combination in Excel. By utilizing these functions, we're able to split the cell contents into individual emails, filter out those ending with @live.com, and then join the remaining emails back together with commas. Continuing with the solution, the next segment involves an enhanced approach using the MAP and LAMBDA functions. This method allows for a more dynamic and scalable solution by applying the same email filtering logic to a range of cells. It's a great way to efficiently process multiple cells containing email lists and streamline the deletion process of unwanted emails. Moving forward, we explore a more advanced solution utilizing Power Query. By leveraging the M code provided, Excel users can automate the process of filtering out @live.com emails from their datasets. The Power Query tool offers a visual and user-friendly interface for data transformation tasks, making it an excellent choice for handling complex email filtering operations. Lastly, another formula is presented for those seeking to filter out additional email domains, such as yahoo.com, alongside @live.com. This formula showcases the flexibility and extensibility of Excel functions, allowing users to customize email filtering criteria based on their specific needs. In summary, we've explored various Excel formulas and Power Query solutions to efficiently address the common problem of deleting @live.com emails from email lists. By leveraging these techniques, users can effectively manage their email data and streamline their workflow. Remember, with Excel, there's always a formula for every data wrangling challenge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Stay spreadsheet savvy.